Hey Diva Dolls, welcome to my tiny house. I will be right down.
We must pay homage to him.
Hey Diva Dolls, and welcome to my tiny house. So this is the tiny house I got for Bae's birthday, and I thought it would be cool to show you guys like really what it looks like. Really impromptu, don't be looking at my hair and makeup, don't have on a bra, but let's get to the details here. This is the little kitchenette. Super duper cute. You have everything you need. Basically a setting for 4. Worked out well for us. We didn't do any cooking this weekend, but we did have coffee. We had leftovers. We put everything in the fridge, which this is even a freezer, right? You got a freezer up here. We got a fridge down here. Then we used the microwave for our leftovers. Worked just fine. Has a toaster oven. Didn't get too much into that. And then there's storage down here. So this is a really small but cute area. Again, we love the black, we love the white subway tiles, we love the marble. And it's like we're really into design and like watching shows, you know, before and after, like I'm sure everyone is. And I thought it was kind of cool to see some of these things in here. So this is like the coffee stuff, but this is the table. We didn't even put the table up. So then you have a little table if you want to sit down and eat, and then look at this space-saving thing where you have the chairs that you just grab off the walls, which we did have company in here, so it was pretty big enough to have company. But you can sit here and eat, you can sit here and work, you can sit here and edit. And yeah, everything is really intentional and cute in here. This is why I wanted to show y'all what tiny house living can look like. We didn't really like this couch. It looked a little crazy and frumpy, so we covered it up. But it is something that you pull out and it lays down, so you can lay in here. You can have an air mattress in here. I mean, y'all can just really do it up. But this is a couch, and it actually does fit two grown people. So this is the bathroom from the outside looking in. Absolutely love the black and white tiles. Think it's very, very chic. And even though it's a tiny house and a tiny bathroom, it's quite functional. So really cool. You can put stuff there. You can obviously put stuff on the inside. You have the shelves on the top. There's some kind of trays here that you can put stuff in, hold things, this stuff, you can hang stuff here, like towels or whatever, or little hand towels. Then we have these cute little shelves that are decorative, but then also functional. We use this a lot. We put our soap and stuff in here, so this is the inside space for shampoo, body washes, things like that. We didn't use that because it's COVID girl, and plus, like, look at it. But this shower, y'all, this shower is actually, we thought it was gonna be too small. It actually was not that bad. So we were able to get in here, function all the way around. I like the shower because it gets very hot. So I was thinking if it's a tiny house, the plumbing could be a little shady, but it got really hot in here, and yeah. And a full-size toilet, no problems there. So yeah, this is the bathroom. Right, and then over here we have more space. Now, for the sake of this being an Airbnb, they have one of these things here. This Airbnb is actually really tall, so this is like a loft stairs, which is really cute. It's so freaking cute. So you have the loft stairs. I think they put this here to kind of draw your attention to the height of the tiny house. And look, you have an open loft bedroom area. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead up there and check it out. You made it to my bedroom. Not exactly, just kidding. But this is where we called our bed for the past weekend. We have a cool little TV here, which actually came in hand a couple of nights watching TV. The queen size bed is on this like platform thingy, but it's really simple and it was really comfortable. I mean, we got a window up here, so I love the lighting in here, and then we have open windows over here, which is super duper cute. Again, the lighting was really nice. And as far as functionality up here, we have this little cupboard space, which I actually love because I sat right here and took a whole lot of selfies. Thank you, baby. But I thought this was a really cool, like, mini space saving idea. So if you're in a dorm room, if you are making a livable space out of somewhere small, if you're trying to do your own tiny house, like, this is a cute little thing. I feel like a lot of this stuff is maybe in IKEA, because yeah, it feels like IKEA-ish, but you know, that's no shade to IKEA. I have lots of IKEA in my house. I love IKEA because of its affordability, and you can customize it, and of course it's cute. It's what you want. So again, I know I look a hot mess. Did not plan to do this video. Just wanted to hop on here real quick, show you guys how we've been living. It made us start thinking, like, what if they did this for college kids? Like, I have a college-age daughter. She's about to get going with all of that, and I'm like, wow, instead of worrying about an apartment, living on campus, something like that, she can do this. You can buy these from, like, what you say, babe, 15,000, 20,000, 10,000. You can save money. How about we thought about, because we like to travel, what if we rented our houses out and did something like this for ourselves, because we're just like a home base here, and then we can leave and travel and come back here and kind of make profit and revenue off of this place or off of our 2 actual houses when we're not here. Like, if anyone has had a tiny house experience, let me know how it went. If you are living in a tiny house community, let me know what you think. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and show you the outside area now. Okay, so like I said, it's a tiny house, but you still have areas to entertain. So we have the fire pit here, which is propane, I do believe. We couldn't really figure it out to get it to work, so, you know, it didn't work out. We have the 4 chairs here. We have the privacy bushes here, and then you have your string lights, which are on a timer we found, because they come on at night and then they go off sometime during the middle of the night. So really cute outside area. And then you have your house.